Tools and Twisties. Hey, the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale starts on Monday, April 6th. And we've covered a couple of the items, some of the tools in videos previously. I'll put links below. But I thought I would give you my 10 top picks, the ones to grab early if you're heading there early, and maybe some alternatives that you can pick up if you missed the sale or if you're looking for a more premium level tool. Let's get started. First up, the Icon long nose slip joint pliers. Normally 29 bucks, will be on sale for 20 bucks. These are great. They're a clone of the Snap-on, and you know, for 20 bucks, they're a great deal. As a premium alternative, you could buy the Snap-on. The Snap-on ones are just under 80 bucks. They're pretty close. A lot of times the Icon tools aren't quite as nice as what they're copying. In this case, I think that it's hard to justify the 80 bucks for the Snap-on versus the 20 bucks for the Icon. It's a buy. These usually sell out pretty quickly. So if you're an Inside Track member, I'd try to get there on Monday, maybe try to get there early. Check the inventory on the website or on your phone app before you even go. Make sure they're in stock. If they're not on the shelves, always ask, because a lot of times they have back inventory. They don't put it all out on the shelves. So make sure you ask. So first pick, the Icon long nose slip joint pliers for 20 bucks. Up next, hey, this one's going to sell out quickly if they have any at all. It's the Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile. They have a lot of confusing similarities between their jacks. This is my favorite. 170 bucks, 100 bucks off is a great deal. I think my store is out of stock before the sale has even started because Daytona jacks have been on sale quite a bit. So check the inventory, look at which stores maybe have it. Get there early if you want to pick this up. I have two of these, and they're great. My favorite Daytona jack. If you work on low clearance cars, that low profile is nice. They also lift the highest. They go over 24 inches. Some of the ones that aren't low profile or long reach don't lift quite as high. So not as good in my opinion. So grab that one. The other one I think is going to probably sell out quickly are the meme bit sets. This one right here. These are great. I use this a fair bit, and it's a nice set. Comes with a little flex head ratchet. This is the T-handle style where you can, you know, take the ratchet and you can use the little extension. And if you line up the little dot with the little things, then you can slide it through, and it turns into a T-handle. If you do it right, which I'm obviously not doing it right. There we go. A T-handle, or you can use it as a conventional ratchet, or you can use this as an extension. Pretty clever little tool, very nice. In fact, when they came out with the newer meme box with the sockets on it, people complained it didn't include this ratchet. Pretty nice set, has a lot of bits. The bits are decent quality. I have a couple of these sets. I had to swap out some of the bits. They're not as good as some of the German and Japanese bits that you can get, or US bits that you can get. And as an alternative for that, so this is on sale, 28 bucks. Again, I expect this to sell quickly. As an alternative for that, I love these Viha Go boxes. You know, 22 bucks. This one's marked as 49% off. I don't know if that's really true. They're normally about 30 bucks. And that's this right here. And these are great. I think the bits are a little bit higher quality on the Viha ones. It's a different style ratchet. It's more of a conventional little mini bit ratchet. So you don't have that whole, you know, T-handle deal that you have with this. But what you do get is an extension the extension that comes with this, I think, is nicer than the other extensions. It is a locking bit extension. Once the bits go in there, they stay. So, you know, you're not going to drop a bit behind anywhere. So very, very nice. And as an alternative for that meme set that may or may not be sold out for even less money, consider this. I'll have links to all the Amazon products below. You can check them out a little bit more, look at them and order them online. Pretty good prices. So yeah, if you buy this and you really, you know, you feel like you need a better ratchet or a different style ratchet, I actually think these little Titan swivel head ratchets are nicer than either of these two. And these are also relatively inexpensive, like less than 15 bucks, I think. And then there's also the chrome little T-handle ratchet. And this is sort of the same style as the Icon one, where if you line it up, put it in, it turns into a little bit smaller T-handle than this. But it's a nice little ratchet, and these are not very expensive either. So, you know, in my opinion, this VIA box and maybe this Chrome or the Titan is maybe I have them both. I tend to grab this more than I grab the Harbor Freight Icon one. So, but these are very popular and very, very cool. And while they're on sale, pick one up if they're available. What else we got? Up next are the Icon 10-inch pliers wrench. We talked about this a fair bit in my previous video. The Icon makes a copy of the Knipex. It's not quite as nice as the Knipex, but it's pretty close. And the Knipex one is actually pretty pricey. It's $58 for the Knipex version, and the Icon version will be on sale for $26. So I think that's a buy. I don't know if that one's going to sell out quickly or not. Probably not, because it's been out for longer. But that's something you might want to check out. So Icon 10-inch pliers wrench. You're probably familiar with these, but parallel jaws. They work sort of like an adjustable wrench, but even better. You can basically use this as a substitute for a whole wrench set. I'd say the only downside of this one is the 10-inch one is pretty big, and I find myself using the smaller Knipex versions of these more frequently than these big ones. But these are great. They'll have an enormous range of sizes that they can grab onto. Parallel jaws only for things that have a flat face on them. So that's next. Up next is the fast adjust. What we call twin grips. Knipex calls them twin grips. They're $16 on sale. They're pretty nice. Here's the Knipex version. Very, very similar. The Knipex one is nicer, but the Icon one is pretty decent. The price difference isn't quite as big on this. It's $16 for the Icon version, $35 for the Knipex. If you want to treat yourself to some German tools, get the Knipex. If you're a value shopper or concerned about warranty, the Icon's great. Up next is the Icon diagonal cutters. These are great, $15 on sale, $22 normally, $15 on sale. They'll have these. These won't sell out. Don't worry about that, I don't think. But they work really nice, and they're copies again of the Snap-on cutters, which I guess I didn't bring out here. But the Snap-on cutters, again, they're expensive. They're like $80, so they're a better price than the Snap-on. But as an alternative, Tsunoda is a Japanese company that makes pliers. They're made in Japan. I have the smaller cutters here, the smaller Tsunoda cutters, but they make the same size as these for $18, which is really, it's about the same price. And this is a Taiwanese, this is a made in Japan. So I think the quality on this might actually be a little bit better. This might be something that, pick them up because it's so easy to warranty things at Harbor Freight. But if you want to experiment with some Japanese high quality tools, look at this Tsunoda. There'll be links below to that. Good tools. Just to show you an example, here is a Tsunoda pliers in a little bit bigger size. This is the handle style of the one I just showed you, but this is a flat bill pliers, so it's going to be sort of a combination of this this size with cutting edges like this. And these are both Tsunoda, made in Japan. Really nice. I mean, the quality on these is superb, and the pricing is surprisingly good. So the whole line of Tsunoda pliers I think is really good. But the diagonal cutters in this particular case is what I'm recommending. Next one up is one that I do not have, and that is the Doyle Electrician multi-purpose pliers for $8. I want to try these. $13 normally, $8 on sale. I don't have a set of pliers like this right now, but again, the alternative on the Tsunoda line would be $21. Again, that's a bigger price difference. When you're talking about the cutters, they're effectively the same price. But I'm interested in trying actually both of these. I might get both of these and compare them in an upcoming video. Okay, up next are the Icon screwdrivers. And if you watch my videos, you know I'm not a huge fan of the Icon screwdrivers, but I get lots of comments from people saying they really like these. They really love them. And my issue with them has nothing to do with quality. I think that the blades on them are nice. They work well. They have, nice hex bolsters on them that you can use to put a wrench on them. My issue is with the handles. I don't like the handle shape at all. I find them uncomfortable to use. But other people say they love them, so I don't want to disregard them just because I don't personally like them. But as an alternative, so these are $50. You can get them in the new super cool green, or you can get them in the traditional red, your choice. But as an alternative, one of my favorite screwdrivers are the Vessels. And yeah, these are more. These are 53 bucks and not on sale. But these are made in Japan, and these are some of the best screwdrivers I've ever used. So I would say that, if you want to treat yourself with another 20 bucks, maybe get the Vessels, or try the Icons. I mean, at the price, they're good. They're a good deal, no question. They're a good deal at 33 bucks. High quality, lifetime warranty. But maybe try the Vessels and see if you like them. If you want to try the Vessels and you don't want to spend more money, you can get this Vessel Armor Grip set for about the same price as the Icons, a little less actually. These are not made in Japan, however. Most Vessel tools are made in Japan. This is sort of their entry-level line, the Armor Grip. Very nice. I've had these before. They're very nice screwdrivers, but not made in Japan. They're probably made in Taiwan, just like the Icons. And the price was missing on Amazon when I looked this morning, but they're usually in the 20, 25, 30 buck range. So you can look for them and maybe consider those as an alternative. Up next are the Doyle Demolition screwdrivers. We've talked about these before. $7. It's a great deal. These are hammer through screwdrivers. They're well built. They're nice. They're, pretty heavy duty. When you mess them up, you can bring them back to the store and just replace them. They're nice, but just as comparison, here are the Viha heavy duty screwdrivers, and they're way nicer. I mean, they're way more expensive, but they're way nicer. The hammer through caps are bigger. The shafts are bigger. They're much heavier. But most people don't need, heavy duty, super heavy duty demolition screwdrivers. And you can't buy the Viha in just a set of two. You can buy them individually, or you can buy a whole set, but they're going to be more expensive. So I think that these Doyles are, for $7 are worth throwing in your box. That's my next pick. We also got a couple of bonus picks. We got the Doyle precision screwdriver and nut driver for $7. It's basically a clone of this Klein. It has, all the bits up here. They're pretty nice. I mean, these are all small bits. These are for working on, small things, computers or other small things, guns, whatever you might need to work on. Very nice, or electronics. But at any rate, $7. I think that's a buy. I think the Klein version. Yeah, here it is. Klein version. Not very much at $15. But this is also a Taiwanese-made tool, Taiwan to Taiwan. Heck, I wouldn't be surprised if they come out of the same factory. But at any rate, that's the next pick. So what else do we got? The last one up. Let me talk about the giveaway. We had the giveaway for last month. We just announced the winners. They are in the community section of my channel. We gave away a couple sets of these great Vessel interchangeable bit screwdrivers, one to a new subscriber and one to an existing subscriber. And you can look and see the winners were notified through the comments and in the community section, and they'll be sent out 2 new versions of these. So congrats to those guys, and thanks to everybody on the channel for commenting and watching and liking my videos. It's what keeps the channel going, and I really, really appreciate your support. But we have a new giveaway coming for starting this month. We're giving away a set of these Astro Nano sockets. If you watch my channel much, I talk about these a lot because they're one of my favorite tools. They're very reasonably priced. And it's a set of 6 to 19 dual drive sockets, low profile, impact rated. And, if you're not familiar with these, they're designed so they can either go on a special 11mm wrench, which they'll lock onto. They'll go on any 11mm wrench, but they'll only lock on to the ones that are designed for locking on. And you just get a super low clearance tool when you do that. Or of course you can put them on a regular 3/8 inch ratchet, and it's still a pretty low clearance tool. This is an Astro ratchet, by the way. You don't see these a lot. They make some pretty inexpensive but decent quality ratchets as well. So these will also just pop on an impact driver. So it's sort of in my mind, it's a 3-in-1 tool. The low clearance has gotten me into places that I wouldn't have otherwise been able to to get into. So at any rate, this is going to be the giveaway. So what you need to do for this giveaway is like and comment and subscribe. And in your comment, put hashtag April new sub or hashtag April OG, and you can look in the comment section if you don't remember that, and I'll give you the instructions there as well. But yeah, we'll give away a set of these as well, and good luck. And these are great. I'll also have a link if you want to buy these. They're not very expensive. I love them. I mean, they're, once you have a regular set of sockets and chrome sockets in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, these are the next suggestions I usually have for people, even before getting a full set of impacts. I find I use these far more than my mid-size and deep impacts. Sometimes you need bigger impacts, but not always. These tools down here are not part of the kit. They are part of the Astro adapter kit, so you can adapt the different sizes. But at any rate, you'll get a brand new set of those. And so for the last item on the list is the full bank service carts, $500, normally $600. They were on sale for a little bit less recently, but I really like those kits, and I'll give you a little bit of a quick tour of one of the kits I have right here. So I'm going to be doing a video soon building out this full bank service cart, really with entirely Harbor Freight tools, Icon, Quinn, Doyle, some Pittsburgh stuff as well. But this just sort of gives you an example of how many tools you can really stuff in this toolbox. These are Easy Red organizers, by the way. People always ask when I show these Easy Red Ratchet. I'll have a link to those Easy Red socket organizers in 2 different sizes, and the Easy Red magnetic wrench organizers. And what I like most, a lot of people like to hang stuff on the back of their box, but then if they try to close the lid, it all just falls off, or they can't do it. I love the fact that those Easy Reds just, they're magnetic and they'll just stick. And also these Icon magnetic mats, they'll hold stuff as well. So that is top of the box. And just to give you a quick tour, ratchets and more wrenches and SAE wrenches and some specialty sockets. And we got some hammers. I haven't completely built this out yet. Not much on the bottom. And just real quickly, here's another box. I like these boxes so much, I have 2 of them. This is another build out for that I'm doing, and again, more Easy Red on the top, and yeah, we have some Astro swivel sockets in here and a bunch of other stuff. At any rate, I won't give you the full tour of this now, but I think that these full bank service carts are awesome, and I think they're great. I think it's one of the best tool chests that Harbor Freight offers at that price point. Obviously I have the big Icon triple stack, which I love, and I'm not going to fit all my tools into these, but I love these. They roll around easy, they hold a ton, and they're really pretty affordable. I also think that they make more sense. There's the new Yukon one that's out there. I don't know if I have the cut sheet on that. Yeah, there's the new Yukon one that's on sale as well. Here it is, $299. My advice: spend the extra $200 and get one of these. These are awesome. The Yukon stuff is okay. They're pretty shallow. The metal that they're made out of is not nearly as nice. So tools and twisties, those are my 10 quick picks and a little bit more and some premium alternatives. Let me know whether you're picking up the meme kits or whether you think these go boxes are the way to go. The Icon screwdrivers, the Icon pliers. What you think of my Astro giveaway? Don't forget to enter for that. And that's it for today. Tools and twisties. We are out.